Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and I'm back with another fancy schmancy video. So today I'm going to be doing a cute Easter look because today is Easter and April Fool's Day, which is so funny. But I just want to wish you guys a happy Easter and I hope you enjoy the video. My 3 makeup brushes and a puffy brush. I use some of the same makeup in all my videos because I don't really have much. My Inferno palette by Bad Habit. I got this from Hush. And I've showed you guys the colors in one video, and these are the colors again. Then next I will be using my Athena palette, also by Bad Habit from Hush. And these are the colors in this palette. Very pretty colors. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Athena palette, and I go into the color Velour right here. It's a very pink color, pink peachy color. You might not be able to see it on my camera, but it's a pink peachy color. I'm going to go ahead and take that and put it all over my lid. Doesn't really show up very well, but it's a pretty color. All over the lid. And I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Next, sorry, I was just adding a couple finish touches. Ooh, maybe that's a little too high. Next, I'm going to go into the color Justice right here. It's a purple, very deep purple, and I'm going to put that color in my crease. And I'm going to use a flatter brush so I can get into that crease. So like that. So it looks something like this. Now I'm just going to do this eye and finish this eye up later. Now I'm going to go into the color Medusa. No, I'm going to go into the color Prize. It's a shimmery red color. And I'm going to put that right along here. Just a little bit, not too much. Now we're going to take that purple color and go over the Prize that we just put it on there to bring that color back out. Like that. And now to add a little bit of glitter, we're going to go into the color Daring. That's a very, very pretty glitter color. And we're going to put that on the top part of our lash. It's very pretty. It's very hard to put on because it's not a cream type eyeshadow. It's just glitter packed together. But if you have patience, you can get it on. So just like that. And now if you want, you can go into that purple again and drag it up to give it a little bit more flavor. Just like that. Very pretty. Then go back into that pink that we were using earlier just to blend the pink and the purple. Just like that. That's what it should look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye for you guys, and I'll be right back. Alright. Ooh, thought I broke it. Now we're going to go into our Inferno palette, and we're going to use the color White Hot right there, and we're going to put that in our tear duct. Just like that, just to give it, you know, open up your eyes a little bit. You're going to take that purple and you're going to put it under here like a smoky eye. And now you can top it off with your favorite mascara, anything you want. I'm going to put some mascara on. There you go. So this is the finished look. And it was very easy. I feel like it's very cute, and since today's Easter, it has a lot of pinks and purples going on. What would have made it pop is a blue, but I don't have any blues. But if you guys liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.